Welcome to Exact Pipecut 170 battery instructional video. Exact 170 battery is designed to cut steel, stainless steel, aluminum, copper, and plastic pipes. Exact Pipecut 170 battery comes in one tool bag. The bag holds pipe saw with Cermet thin cutting blade pre-assembled on the saw, Allen keys for adjustments and blade change, 4 pipe supports, two 18-volt lithium-ion batteries, and a battery charger. Put the battery on the charger unit. All error codes are listed in the manual. Static green LED lights up when the battery is fully charged. Attach the battery to the saw handle and press the button on the handle to check the battery charge status. Place the pipe on a flat surface using the pipe support provided. Incorrectly supported pipe can cause damage to the saw or injury to the user. Clean the pipe with a brush if needed. Make sure that the pipe rotates freely on supporting rollers. Mark the cutting point. 2 support rollers are enough if you were to cut a short piece of pipe. Saw gripper unit can be adjusted to 15 to 170 mm pipes. Adjust the gripper by rotating the black knob at the back of the gripper. Before the start, make sure that the gripper wheels rotate freely. Exact saws have 2 ratchet wheels, which allow the saw to rotate only one way. Check the ratchet function before making the cut. Place the saw on top of the pipe. The blade guard has a small ridge at the bottom to ensure a precise cut. The ridge is located 20 mm, 1 inch in the US models, away from the blade. Rotate the knob clockwise to tighten the gripper firmly onto the pipe. Start cutting by holding the pipe steady with your foot while pushing the machine down gently to pierce the pipe wall. Do not push too hard. Let the blade do the work. When the saw is locked in down position, start pushing the machine forward while keeping the pipe still with your foot. When you have made about 1/6 of the cut, take your foot off the pipe and pull the saw towards yourself. The pipe will rotate with the saw. Repeat until the pipe has been cut. When cutting a longer pipe, use 4 support rollers. Support both ends of the pipe with 2 rollers and make the cut between the middle rollers. Change the blade when it wears out to avoid any mechanical damage to the saw. Also, change the blade if the blade teeth are cracked or if you notice any other damage. Always use only original exact blades and make sure they are sharp and straight. Pay attention to the pipe material and select the correct blade for each material. For more information about the blades, visit the Exact Tools website. Used, undamaged blades can be resharpened up to 3 times. For more information about sharpening, contact your local Exact dealer. To change the blade, open the upper blade guard bolt with a 5 mm Allen key attached to the back of the handle. Then remove the blade screw, the outer flange, and the blade. Install a new blade and make sure it is placed correctly. Place the blade flanges back and tighten the screw firmly. Use spindle lock button on top of the saw to keep blade axle from turning. Make sure there are no chips or other dirt between blade flanges. Put the upper blade guard back in place and tighten the blade guard screw. All exact saws are tested prior to packaging to ensure a straight, precise cut. Troubleshooting should be started by checking that the blade and flanges are correctly placed and tightened, and that there are no chips or anything else caught between blade flanges, and that the blade is still in good condition. Gently wipe away all dirt or use compressed air if necessary. If further adjustment is required, misalignment can be adjusted with the adjustable eccentric wheel at the end of the gripper arm. Remove the small locking screw with a 2 mm Allen key. Adjust as follows. If the saw is leaning out, turn the adjustment wheel to the negative side. If the saw is leaning in, turn the adjustment wheel to positive. See also Instruction Manual. Thank you for watching. Visit www.exacttools.com for more details on blade types and materials they cut. For more information about sharpening, contact your local Exact dealer. Thank you for watching.